Hi there, this is Diego from NutriAdmin, and in this video I'm going to just show you how you can earn some more income with a side gig, a side hustle, where if you are someone that has an audience of nutritionists, dietitians, coaches, health coaches, wellness professionals, personal trainers, essentially we have an affiliate program at nutriadmin.com. So NutriAdmin, we provide software for all of these wellness professionals I've mentioned. The software allows them to create meal plans and to manage their clients. And basically, if you help us get customers by recommending the software to your audience, you can make 25% of all the payments that that those people will pay over the first 12 months of their subscription. So I'm going to explain the specifics of the program, and you can always reach out if this is something that interests you. This is our product, NutriAdmin. You can access it at nutriadmin.com, and we provide all-in-one software for nutritionists, dietitians, coaches, and also trainers. So if you go to the use cases page, I have it here, these are the customers that use our software. So nutritionists and dietitians, personal trainers, health coaches, fitness coaches, nutrition teams. And what the software does is you can check all the features, but basically we allowed these wellness professionals to manage their client records, to create meal plans, to create recipes, to do admin work such as questionnaires, payments, calendar and appointments, reports and templates. It's basically an all-in-one platform for nutritionists or coaches that have a private business or that work in as part of an organization. And you can check the website for more information. NutriAdmin has been around since 2016, and you can check our independent reviews at Capterra. You have it here, and we're one of the top reviewed apps in this space. So this is a very high quality product that many nutritionists use. And essentially, if you are someone like that publishes a blog or professional resources, or that for any reason has an audience of nutritionists, coaches, etc., you could earn more money with our affiliate program by referring some of your people from your audience to our product. So the way it works is you can go to nutriadmin.com/resources/affiliates, and you have a summary of how the program works in here and how to join. And essentially, the way it works is you will make a 25% commission on all the payments made within 12 months by new users. So there's a typical example here. If you check our pricing page, when billed monthly, our most popular plan is about $50 a month. So if you help us get any customers that pay this $50 a month, you're going to be earning 25% of that money for up to 12 months. So there's this example here. For example, if somebody joins the popular plan and they remain subscribed to NutriAdmin for a year, they're going to pay close to $600, and you would be entitled to 25% of your commission as a reward for helping us acquire this customer, which is about $150. So, $150 per customer if it is a long-term quality customer. If you got us 10 customers, that would be $1,500. So this could be a nice way for you to supplement your income. And from our perspective, if you're helping us get those customers, we're able to pay you this amount of 25% and still make a profit. So for us, it's an extra channel to acquire customers. And for you, this is an opportunity to make some extra money, hopefully with very little effort. I'm going to go into it just now. So essentially is... there are the way affiliate programs work is basically if you are a business or an organization that has a similar audience to ours, which is nutritionists and dietitians, but you are providing them with a different service, something that is non-competing. So you are providing them with educational resources or with marketing advice or anything like that. Basically something that is not a software product that is a competitor of NutriAdmin. Then, you and I, we have a similar audience, but we provide different services. So there is synergy there because you can, since you've already built your audience, you can recommend them a product like NutriAdmin with very little effort. And if this is relevant to your audience and if they like it and if it is useful to them, anybody that signs up earns your commission. And some simple ideas, what you can do is essentially you can create any sort of blog post, article, podcast episode, YouTube video, webinar, any sort of content that you normally make. You could make a piece of that and you can talk about NutriAdmin. You can perhaps do a review of the product, or you can compare multiple apps, including NutriAdmin. Or if you already have an article out there that talks about software for nutritionists and coaches, you can just add an extra entry for NutriAdmin to your existing article. So that's going to save you the trouble. You could make a video talking about it. You could discuss it in your podcast. You can add a link to NutriAdmin somewhere in your website. And obviously, it has to make sense for you. You shouldn't just plug it randomly in some place where it doesn't make sense. But for example, if you have a blog post that provides educational materials for nutritionists, you could have an article that is like, here's one of the options you can use to create meal plans more efficiently, and you can talk about a bit NutriAdmin and what it does, and then you can say, if you join in, you can, if you're somebody that makes meal plans, perhaps you can try it out, and then perhaps it's a good idea to add a disclaimer that you will earn a affiliate commission if somebody joins with your link, just to be transparent. But it's up to you how you do it, obviously, as long as it is not something deceiving. And then that's it. The way it works is basically you can click here to join the affiliate program, and it's just this very simple form. So it takes a minute to fill in. You just need to create name, email, password. That's it. And then you're going to provide a PayPal email. That's where you're going to be paid. And then once you do that, you're going to get a unique link. So the link is going to be something like nutriamin.com, and then it's going to have a code with your name. So this way, if you choose that link in all your materials, then we will know if somebody joins it with that link, we will know that it was thanks to you, and you will be entitled to the commissions. So we use a platform called Rewardful. You can check their website if you want independently. And they connect to our payment system on Stripe, and they automatically calculate everything so that is fair. So this is a third-party system they're going to calculate how much the customers you refer to as paid, if there have been any refunds, if the customers upgrade or downgrade or cancel, and it's going to keep track of everything, and then give you a calculation and say, look, this customer paid X amount, so you are entitled to 25% of that. And in this way, basically, you will make money when you send us customers that are relevant to the software and that use it long term. And there are some conditions in here. So for instance, we would only pay a minimum of $50. So you have to earn up to $50 to get your first payment. And then there's a 30-day cooling off period. So when a customer makes a payment, it will take 30 days for you to earn the commission. And that's to allow for calculations, because if there is a refund or something, you wouldn't be entitled to a payment if the customer requests a refund, because you will get 25% of zero. So that's zero. And there are all the conditions in here. You can check the terms and conditions. I'm going to show you which go in detail in here. So it's all in the page. And you can reach out with any questions at affiliate at NutriAdmin. So just to sum up is, a typical example would be if you have a blog for nutritionists or you're an educational institution, you can create, let's say, a blog post talking about NutriAdmin, reviewing it, and just recommending it. Look, if you need a software to create meal plans that is good quality and that is trusted and has been around for a while, you can check out NutriAdmin with this link. And then when somebody clicks your link, if they sign up to the software after using your link, then they count as somebody that you refer to us. We keep track of everything automatically. And then over time, this is a way of earning passive income, because you could just create an article once and leave it there, and then over time, anybody that stumbles upon your article and finds it useful and signs up is going to generate you some money. So it's basically a relatively low effort way for, like, the way these affiliate programs work is for companies like us. They enable us to have access to a new channel of marketing. And for the affiliates, it's best if you're somebody that already has access to the audience, and it costs you relatively little effort to promote this product if you believe it's a product that is relevant to your audience. So hopefully, for the right kind of person, this is going to be a win-win proposition. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and excited to see how this can develop.